ki khubor ka batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Tnat Pulit kala Peitngor bha baro arpusau kenta banyak Ïakhun Thma Pyrshah ya kajing penya yo Drok hapo kani ke jilla Meghalaya. Menteri Tnat ki kampo yeng jong ka sarkar jilla uba lakmen rembui ha kajing ya kren mat kilat pathai khubor ha kasmi balang jong ka khatn reo tarik ubanai rempang arajar arpuar. Ula ong nakapor sa kapor ki Pulit ki jutresh kamban kem yi ki nong kayi bat yi ki nong di Drok. Kenang ban penti kena bo une ujing di pun bu ai ubalan yo be ai unom yo so thiet hapo kene ka jilla Meghalaya.
I cannot say now because I didn't have that case thing with me, so I cannot comment on that because it's happened in Assam. During investigation, if at all they seek the cooperation of the police, we will do what is to be done. So as of now, I cannot say anything. See, this case have been registered, people have been arrested, so let the process of law be followed and we will see what is to be done. I cannot comment on that right now. The police are very vigilant and you have seen that from time to time they have arrested people, from time to time also they have seized the consignment of drug or tablet or whatever may be. So, in Assam also they are doing. Policing is a joint effort. So whatever they do, this is the best for to make or not instead safe from drug and safe from being used as the route to transport or smuggling drug. So I commended whatever the agencies are doing, and as I said before, from our Meghalaya also from time to time we have seen that we have the police have arrested or have detected many drug and cases have been registered against them. We from Meghalaya also, we are taking all the issue aggressively, not only Assam, not only the state, in fact the country as a whole. We know that the menace of drug, if it is there, we have to eradicate it. So all the states in the country are joined hand together to see that this drug abuse could be curtailed or could be wiped out. Thank you.